Welcome to Endosapiens, where human science comes alive. Today, we'll follow the incredible journey of insulin and discover how this microscopic messenger controls one of the most important processes in the human body. Right now, imagine you eat a chocolate bar. Within minutes, thousands of glucose molecules rush into your bloodstream. But here's the problem: too much glucose in your blood can be dangerous. So how does your body keep blood sugar under control? The answer lies in a tiny but powerful hormone called insulin. Every time you eat carbohydrates like rice, bread, fruits, or sweets, your digestive system breaks them down into glucose. Glucose is the body's primary fuel. Every cell needs it to produce energy and stay alive. But glucose faces a problem. It may be floating in the bloodstream, yet it cannot simply enter most cells on its own. Imagine millions of houses filled with hungry people, while all the food remains stuck outside on the streets. Fortunately, the body has a solution. Deep inside your abdomen lies an organ called the pancreas. Special cells inside the pancreas constantly monitor blood glucose levels. When glucose rises after a meal, these cells release insulin into the bloodstream. Think of insulin as a master key. It travels through the blood until it reaches cells throughout the body. On the surface of these cells are special receptors, tiny locks waiting for the right key. When insulin binds to these receptors, a remarkable process begins. The cell responds by moving glucose transporters to its surface. These transporters act like doors. Suddenly, glucose can enter the cell and leave the bloodstream. Blood sugar levels begin to fall, while cells receive the fuel they need. Once inside, glucose is broken down through a series of chemical reactions. The result is ATP, the energy currency of life. Every heartbeat, every thought, every movement you make depends on this energy. What happens if there's more glucose than the body needs right now? Insulin gives another important command. It tells the liver and muscles to store excess glucose as glycogen, a form of energy reserve that can be used later when needed. But what happens when insulin is missing or stops working properly? In type 1 diabetes, the body produces little or no insulin. In type 2 diabetes, cells become resistant to insulin signals. In both cases, glucose remains trapped in the bloodstream, causing blood sugar levels to rise and potentially damaging organs over time. Every meal you eat triggers an extraordinary chain of events. A tiny hormone released by the pancreas quietly coordinates billions of cells, ensuring that energy reaches every corner of your body. Without insulin, life as we know it would not be possible. If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Endosapiens for more fascinating stories about human biology, genetics, physiology, and medicine.